Right then, we're here with another idea for bird feeder. So I thought we'd probably save the best for our last here. So we're going to make a bird kebab. So what we've got to make it with is things you'd have lying around the house really, nothing special. So we've got some wire here, any type of wire would do, as long as it's quite bendy. We've got some raisins, we've got some apple, and we've got some chopped up blocks of cheese. So all we're going to do is join the two wires together so you can make a bigger bird kebab, because these wires are quite short, so it's only going to be a very short kebab, but it's up to you if you want to make it short, you can. So what I'm going to do is just thread on the apple and the cheese, any random order, doesn't really matter, because the birds won't mind, they'll just enjoy eating it. I don't think they'll be bothered about the order, but if you want to do it in an order, you can do. A bit more cheese on there, I think. And start threading a few raisins on. And really, all you have to do is just fill it up with all these lovely goodies for the birds, because they're absolutely love these. And you've got to think all that energy that these raisins and the cheese, especially with being the fat sauce, are going to give the birds at the moment, is going to be, they're going to be absolutely loving it. I'm just going to carry on filling this up in a random way. A bit more cheese, I think. Can't beat a bit of cheese. A few raisins to finish off with, I think. And then I'm just going to bring it together. And it's just simple, I'm just going to wrap the wire like that, just round, nothing special. Wrap it together like that. And you can either hang it on a twig as is, or if you wanted it a bit lower, on a branch, obviously, just put a bit of string on it. There you go, a lovely bird kebab for the birds.